Hey, welcome to another episode of the show. Today, you can see I've got all these tyres and rims in the back with me. I'm heading over to Zel Dent. They're going to put some semi-slicks on the front tyres, as well as do a strip and fit and supply some new tyres for me. So I've got 2 pairs of rears and a pair of the front steer tyres. Then I'll be heading back home, doing the hubs, and also doing the suspension. Putting it all back together with the handbrake assembly, and hopefully I'll be able to put it on the ground and it's ready to drive away. Just needs a wheel alignment and a tune after this. So 2 more things to tick off the list. Pretty excited. Yeah, so let's do it.
We try and make it appealing, like not just to get your work done here, but to hang around as well. We try and invite people in. I know a lot of businesses try and get people to go away when they get their jobs done, but it doesn't bother us, man.
Awesome place, really nice guys. They're happy for you to hang around. I've got some mad new tires, got the semi-slicks on the steer tires. Go back to these guys when I do my hydraulic handbrake, and they also do fitting of tires and stuff at Archerfield, so he offered me awesome prices and you can't complain with that. So yeah, really recommend. So I'm gonna head out to Archerfield real soon and hopefully see those guys again. And they also all have sick drift cars and stuff. They're into the sport, they want to keep drifting fun. So it's, yeah, really happy to support them, and hopefully you guys check them out as well. So now I'm going to head back home and put these coilovers in and put the front hubs and plugs on, and as well I'll get the rear hubs and handbrake assembly together. And yeah, we'll hopefully have it back on the road soon.
Yes, I sink finally, someplace I found peace in the dark of night. Tabletops, counters in the
right, so now we've got all of the tires done from Zel Dent. Thanks again to those guys. I'm going to set the coilovers up at the right height. So I've got the old struts here, and these are the new ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to roughly set the new ones at sort of a similar height down here to what the old ones were. I'll make it like probably a little bit, maybe a little bit lower, but nothing crazy, because I just don't want to get defected the second I drive out of the place with it. So as you can see, it's pretty much at a very very low setting at the moment. So, and what I'm going to do is the BC locking kit that came with this, wind them out, set it up at roughly the same height, set the preload on the springs, and yeah, it's ready to go.
Stone cold inside, banging drop stanzas, never needing answers. We wander all alone, but we can't find the street lights go. We wander all alone, but we can't deny we are the street light people. Chasing whatever kills.
New Cartboy front sway links. I'm just going to quickly preload these springs, put them in, and can put all that back together. With these rear coilovers, you just got to take the seat out, and there's the guys up in there. I've just adjusted it to the same height what the other coilover, the other springs were, maybe a little bit shorter. But yeah, now I'm putting it back together with some new handbrake shoes, which I got from Repco. They ordered them in for me, because I'm going to be using the cable handbrake for a little bit before I go hydraulic handbrake. I thought I may as well just replace these guys because the other ones were obviously old. So I'm going to put that back together, and yeah, I'll try and zoom in on it. I'm not going to really do a step how-to on doing these because it can be quite dangerous. Make sure if you are doing them, you got to wear safety glasses, because using the springs and stuff, I have had them pop out and hit me in the face before. Luckily I was wearing safety glasses so I didn't get blinded. But yeah, it's using tension and stuff like that, you just got to run into problems.
So long, I forgot how it feels in the dark of night. Tabletops counting hours in the early hours. Stone cold inside, banging drop stanzas, never needing answers. We wander all alone, but we can't find the street lights go. We wander all alone, but we can't deny we are the street light people. Chasing whatever kills. For so long, I forgot how it feels in the dark of night. Tabletops counting hours in the early hours. Stone cold inside. tired.